Hi everyone and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will talk about free products. More precise, about the free products received for the month of July. I was asked how do I get these free products, so quickly for those who are new here on my YouTube channel, I will explain the story behind these products. There is nothing complicated. On my social media accounts, Instagram or Facebook, on the feed, from time to time different ads appear if I want to try a certain product. If I am interested, all I have to do is to sign in my details and in a few days the product or the sample is delivered to my door. For some of the products I pay for the delivery, usually this happens for full-size or travel-size products. For samples, the delivery is free of charge. As a short message, these products can be claimed by anyone. I hope I have answered the question and the story of these products is clear for everyone. Now what remains to be done is to start unboxing them. In the first envelope I have a product from the brand Grown Alchemist. Grown Alchemist is an Australian skincare brand which uses plant-based ingredients that are cruelty-free and certified non-toxic. Is a travel-size face cream called Hydra Repair Day Cream Camellia Geranium Blossom. Is a nourishing non-greasy day cream that noticeably improves skin hydration levels without leaving residual oil or shine on the skin. This formula leaves the skin looking smooth and soft, resulting in an ideal primer for makeup application. Until now, I have not tried anything from this brand, but I am very curious about this face cream. Everything that I read about it sounds great. Happy with this product. In the next envelope I have some samples from Dior. Two of the samples I received as a gift for my purchase and I decided to show them to you here. But what I received initial is a fragrance sample of the new J'adore l'Or Essence de Parfum. It's a beautiful powdery, warm and spicy scent. I feel the vanilla, I feel the rose notes, I feel the jasmine notes. It's a beautiful, warm floral scent. It smells lovely in one word. Now let me show you the samples that I received as a gift for my purchase. First is a perfume sample, and the scent is called Gris Dior. Well guys, I am surprised how lovely this scent is. It's gorgeous, it's floral, it's spicy. I feel the rose notes on a woodsy base. It is an amazing scent guys, which I like a lot. And the second sample is a lipstick sample card of a new Dior Addict Hydrating Lipstick. And here I have 4 shades of this lipstick. What I like is that it came with a small brush, very easy to take it with you if you are traveling. Now let's move to the next envelope, and inside I have something from L'Oreal. It's the Metal Detox Routine. As you can see, I have 3 products from this range, only the shampoo is missing. So here I have Metal Detox Professional Mask, prevents breakage and color shift, is suitable for all hair types. Apply after shampoo and leave on only for 1 minute. Next is the Metal Detox Professional High Protection Cream, a leave-in anti-metal moisturizer, prevents breakage and color shift. Apply the cream on towel-dried hair and blow dry. Hair is instantly smoother and visibly healthier looking. And the last sample is Metal Detox Professional Concentrated Oil. This is a product that I tried in the past and I liked it a lot. I even go to the store to buy it. Unfortunately, I wasn't careful with the name and the range of it, so I came home with another hair oil from L'Oreal, which is lovely too, but my thoughts are still with this hair oil, so definitely I will put my fingers on it. The next envelope is from the brand Shea & Blue, and inside I have Shea & Blue Blood Oranges Tinted Flavored Lip and Cheek Balm. It's a hydrating lip and cheek tint, fragranced in zesty blood oranges scent. Naturally conditioning, packed with antioxidants to nourish dry skin, while adding a sheer glossy color. Is made with over 70% naturally derived ingredients, is paraben-free, and is hypoallergenic. And the last box now, and inside I have a product from the brand Symbiosis London, Instant Granactive Age Line Lifting. The Instant Granactive Age Line Lifting contains a matrix of ingredients that aim to hold the skin taut, taking years of tired, sagging skin. This unique formula is specifically designed to target fine lines and wrinkles in areas of the face, eyes, and lips. Well guys, this product is not suitable for my skin. I ordered it for my mom to try it to see if it is effective. It's a product that must be applied locally on the problematic areas. It must not be applied to the whole face. With this product I end today's video. I want to tell you that I am delighted with the products I received. However, I am thinking if I should still making these videos in the future. I want to ask you if you are interested to watch them, or it will be better if I don't make them anymore. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below this video. And this is everything for today. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!